Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers out here up north Kansas City. We've got a 16 pier job here. This is a crawl space. It's not a foundation, normal basement. It's about a 4 foot tall crawl space. And the footing sunk all the way around in various places. So we're gonna make the thing level here in just a couple of days. Where the blue tape is, that's where the piers are going. Going on all four sides, north, south, east, and west. This is our King Pier 2. And as you can see, it's sleet and snowing, but it don't stop us. We work year round. We get the same results. Might take us, I don't know, a half a day longer when it's wet like this, but we get through it. We got 5 on the front, 5 on the back, 3 on each side, totaling 16 piers. Beautiful little house here, well kept. For all your foundation repair needs. If your house is settling due to the drought and you don't want a lifetime guarantee that it's gonna not settle any further, but you want it raised back up to its correct level elevation, we're your only guys. We're the only ones that guarantee to raise the footing back to its correct level elevation. Guaranteed every time, no matter what size house or building or structure. King Piers, Kansas City. Give me a call, 816-521-8915. You can always reach me on my website, send me an email, kingpiers.com. Hope everybody out there had a very Merry Christmas. Looking forward to a good 2024 here in a few days. All right, King Piers, Kansas City. See you on the next one.